Welcome back to our weekly update. I'm Charlotte McLeod with the Investing News Network, and I'm here to give you a quick look at our top stories for the week. The gold price traded within a fairly broad range this week, hitting a low of about $18.30 per ounce on Wednesday and a high of just over $18.70 on Thursday. Market watchers blamed the yellow metal's fall on a stronger US dollar and better treasury yields, while its comeback has been attributed to weakness in the dollar and factors such as private payroll data. Gold was at around $18.50 at the time this video was recorded on Friday morning, facing headwinds from dollar strength again, as well as better than expected US jobs data, which shows 390,000 jobs were added in May. Friday's jobs data has generated further discussions about the next steps from the US Federal Reserve, which we've talked about extensively here on our channel. To recap, the Fed has hiked rates twice so far in 2022, with 2 additional 50 basis point increases now widely expected at its next meetings in June and July. The June meeting runs from the 13th to the 14th, and we'll be watching closely for the outcome when it comes around. Gold price activity is always a key topic of discussion, but mergers and acquisitions were also in focus this week. Gold Fields announced plans to acquire Yamana Gold in a $6.7 billion deal that would make the combined company the world's 4th largest producer of the yellow metal. Gold Fields' press release about the acquisition describes Yamana as a natural fit for the company, while Yamana's executive chairman said the transaction is an outstanding opportunity for the firm's shareholders. Fahad Tariq of Credit Suisse said that, like other recent deals in the gold space, the Gold Fields Yamana tie-up will help the combined company achieve more relevance for investors through scale. Yamana's share price reached a high of $741 on the TSX this week after closing at $675 the day before the deal was announced. It closed Friday up 8.64% at $717. Before we wrap up, I want to briefly hone in on the cannabis sector. INN's Brian McGovern recently attended the Lift & Co. Expo in Toronto, where he had the chance to speak with industry leaders about key themes in the space. One topic he touched on is the Safe Banking Act, a piece of legislation that would ease financial business restrictions on US-based cannabis companies. Experts believe that although it doesn't focus on Canadian players, it could help them in the long run. Notably, Nawan Butt of Purpose Investments said it would help free up investment capital for Canadian companies, which are currently competing with their American counterparts in the market. However, this outcome is still a big if. The Safe Banking Act has passed the House multiple times, but has never made it through the Senate. That's all for this week. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates and interviews. You can also follow us on social media or click below for our free report or any article mentioned in this video. See you next time.